Hi guys, it's Ryan from TEChBrits here, and today we're going to be having a look at some of Google Plus's new features. So first of all is the search bar. It's been revamped and updated. Now many are surprised that this wasn't here from the start, but now you can search for previous posts or posts by others. So if we search for TEChBrits, then we can see some of our previous posts. So next we're just going to show you some of Hangout's new features. So these are currently being called Hangout with Extras and are not currently integrated into Hangout generally. So if we just start Hangouts with Extras, now we can give a Hangout a name which is new. So this can be a topic or a reason for starting the Hangout. So we could just say that we are testing Hangout Extras. So we're going to start this Hangout today with George. So just as we could before, we can choose who we want to hang out with. We can make it public, private, and exactly with who we want. So we're just going to start the Hangout. So we're just going to wait for George to join in now. And here he is.
Hello.
Hiya. So let's just pass you over to George and he'll guide you through some of the new features.
Awesome. Cheers, Ryan. Well, first of all, as you can see immediately, it's got this brand new UI. And you can now also share a load of things with the person or the people you are talking to. So first of all, you can actually share your screen. So if you click on Share Screen, you can select which screen you want to share, which is quite cool. And when you select that, you can share your screen. So at the moment I'm sharing my external monitor, which is why you can't see the Hangout itself. But if I stop sharing, and I can choose to share just a window if I want to do. So let's share the Google Plus window. And there's the Google Plus window. As you can see, some bugs still need to be ironed out, as obviously you've still got this window being stretched out, even though it's sort of in a square, which is kind of annoying and it kind of distorts the experience, but other than that, it's quite cool. So let's stop sharing there. Right, and then obviously on the right hand side here, you can see some new document integration. This could be really handy in businesses and offices, in tech conferences and stuff like that. First of all, you've got to start with Notes. Notes is a collaborative program that allows you to type to the people you are talking to, and you can edit things. So I'm going to go ahead here and type, hey there, TEChBrits fans. Right, and as you can see, it automatically loads up even though I'm over here. And then Ryan can then type something underneath, like, hi there, George. See? And then I can read it immediately, and you can change color, and you can do. It's a very good sort of Word-esque editor. So let's kill that, and let's have a look at Sketchpad. Sketchpad is very similar, which is where you can actually basically just draw, sort of like the text editor that we've just seen. You can draw, so you can pick, lines. You can get a paintbrush and just sort of draw. Where's the paintbrush? I can't seem to find the paintbrush, but that's okay. Oh, there it is, scribble. Right. And you can just draw, which is quite good. So that's Sketchpad. And those are two of the new document-esque features. You can also, as you saw earlier, you can now name the Hangouts, which is really impressive, and it's really good. The problem with these Hangout extras is at the moment they're very separate to Google Hangouts themselves. And you are missing features like the YouTube sharing feature, which I liked from the old version of Hangouts. Of course, you've still got group chat over on the right, so you can say hi, and you can just basically type on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side, sorry. And but you can now be off the record or on the record, so you can actually log the chat as you're going, which is quite cool. And that's about it for some of the new features in Hangouts themselves. Ryan, have I missed anything?
Well, obviously the mobile versions of Google Plus have had an update.
Yep.
Android have currently got the update at the moment. iOS is coming soon. So what's included in the update is the Hangouts itself. You can have a Hangout on the mobile device now, which is quite cool. So while you're on the move, you can have a Hangout,
Especially
much
on
like
some phones with front-facing cameras like iPhone 4s.
precisely.
You can obviously use the front-facing camera, and I'm assuming you'll be able to turn it round.
Yep, precisely. So that's like much like a FaceTime on the move, but with obviously a much wider group of people. Huddle has had a name change, so now it's just simply Messenger, and you can share photos along the service as well as just text. And
Awesome.
so that's pretty much it, I think, for Google Plus's new features. Obviously, we're going to see what Facebook are going to announce at
That's
their
in a few
FA
days.
conference. I think a lot of this has been in preparation for that. So let's see what they bring out.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
that's it. So obviously you can follow us on Twitter at TEChBrits. You can follow me, Ryan Dawes, at Sir_Dawes.
You can follow me, George Lim, that's J's instead of GE's.
Yep.
You can email us, techbrits@gmail.com.
And so for now, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later.